Hello, everyone. Take two. I tried my phone and I don't know, it just keeps flipping. So I get an upright video. So, anyways, I wanted to come and show you some of the things that are new in my shop, mostly to do with Christmas, but there are some other things as well. So I'm just going to get into it. Um, I forget what I've called this even now. Not thinking. You'll know it. I think it's just vintage Christmas. So there's that page, another one. These are the main pages. Oops. And a snowman with some lace on each side. And these are like solid pages. There's really no background pages to this other than these. I just thought, you could put your own thing on or not use them, just use coffee dyed paper, whatever. And I always have mini folders, so that's what these are. There's one here and one here. There's two on this page. And here's the pocket envelope and extras, just to fill the page, some extras and then some circles. I'm all over the place here. Sorry, guys. Tags and tickets. Some pockets. Here's some side pockets. And you could cut these pieces out, which is what I thought. Really tall tags. And these are the narrow tags. And these are journaling cards. They're about the size of an ATC card. And then also a large envelope. So that's that one. And it's in my Etsy store right now. And the next one is, I think I called it Noel, Christmas Noel. This one's really subtle. So I just wanted to say that. It's actually meant for you to embellish it with your own kind of embellishments. Or just use them in as they are, because I do have, the extra bits. This one here is hard to see in a way, but I guess from a distance you can see that is a reindeer, a Christmas tree, snowflake, and just a bit of a Santa there, or a child. These are very light, so you could use any one of these for the backs. It's a little bit of holly showing through. A little something postcard. I don't know if you can even see that. There. This is a little bit of a different colored one. This one here is like that. And then this one here is like that. So they're both postcard type things. This one here is very light. I lightened it up quite a bit. So you still have your tags and your tickets. And the large tags. And the pockets. Narrow tags. Mini folders. Oops. Can't hang on to anything today. Flags and tabs. And then I've done quite a few belly bands. I didn't give you any journaling cards in this one, so it's a bit of a smaller kit, but I thought it was pretty anyways. So I think all of my kits can be used intertwined because of the coloring. I'm pretty sure that they can be used that way. What else have I got here? Oh yes, I made, did I hide that? Where is it? Just a minute. I'll just put those down for a minute. Oh, there it is. I know Roxy Creations. Roxy was Roxy was talking about this vintage notes, and they were kind of like this that you couldn't get from AliExpress anymore, or no one could find them. So I thought, well, I'll just go ahead and make it. It's not exactly the same, but it's close enough. Anyways, that's in my shop. And then I just finished a collage. These are from the Smithsonian, and I've mixed them up. They're beautiful, actually. Beautiful papers. You could use it this way or this way. It's up to you. I printed this 2 per page. No, wait a second. I haven't got the kit here. This is not the kit. This is other things. I'm sorry, you guys. I thought I had the kit here. Maybe I just slapped it down. Because I've done it now. Oh, here it is. I've done it like 2 times. And those are different. So this is the collage. So you can rip them up and use them as collage, or, you know, they would make a nice journal page as well. I printed them borderless so that I could do that if I wanted to. Like that would look really nice. They have a lot of texture to them because these are fragments. This one here, I've overlaid some lace and some florals. The same with this one. You can see that it's textural. This one here is quite bright, but I thought this would look nice in a boho journal, even a Halloween because of the orange. There's quite a bit of orange in there. You could add gesso a little bit on here, tone it down. But I love the colors. So there's 6 pages in this kit, and that's another collage on my in my Etsy shop. So last year I was working on, I'm going to let you see that for a minute. I'm just going to go grab it. Last year I was working on my Christmas journal and I didn't finish it. So this whole box is for Christmas. So I want to come back to it. I want to finish it. So I have a lot to do. Yeah. It's a 3 signature journal and I have a lot to do. So I'm going to come back and I want to do a lot of Christmas ephemera. So I have been buying from what the heck? You know what? When I come back, I'll be more prepared. I just have been buying on Etsy, quite a bit of ephemera things that I can use. Love Junk Journals, Tracy Fox, that's who I was thinking of. It just came to me. That's how it is with me. I have no brain anymore. It's like I'm burned out. Yeah, so I may end up doing more than just my own Christmas kit. I might be doing a few. So I hope you come back and, follow along with me. I know I said that last year and I never did finish, but I'm going to come back and finish this and maybe do a few more. So thanks for watching, everyone. Take care. Bye now.